everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make delicious potato puff pastry. These are easy to make it at home, and good thing is once you finished you can leave them in the freezer, then you can use them whenever you want to. Today I'm making two batches. One will be potato with cheese filling. The other batch will be just potato filling. So let's get started. I'm using 5 large potatoes. These are boiled and slightly mashed. I'm not looking for smooth and fluffy potatoes for this. I want to have with some lumps. You can see here. Add in some salt, 1 egg, mixed everything. Then set it aside. Here I have finely chopped 1 onion, fresh coriander. This is for the seasoning. Check the list here. Half teaspoons of garlic powder, half teaspoons of turmeric, half teaspoons of paprika, half teaspoons of cumin powder. I also need 5 tablespoons of fresh milk and grated mozzarella cheese, but you can use any type of cheese you want to. Heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. When the oil is hot, add onions. Fry the onions about 4 to 5 minutes or until they soften. Now add seasoning. Fry them about 15 to 20 seconds. Add fresh coriander. Some salt. Now mashed potatoes. Mixed everything about 2 to 3 minutes. This is going to be lovely filling, but you could alternatively use chicken, beef, pork, any filling you like. Some black pepper. Stir them around for a bit. Now fresh milk. Keep stirring another 2 minutes. Give the taste at this point. Perfect. Just need a little bit of salt. This completely done. Now turn off the heat. That's looking fabulous. Now moving on to the pastry part. This puff pastry from the supermarket. I just rolled the puff pastry on a lightly floured surface. I'm going to cut them into large squares. Then I can add more filling. If you want to, you can cut them into circle or any shapes, big or small size. These are done. I have 6 large squares. This is my homemade pastry. I made it at home. This is more better than getting the packaged stuff from the shop, but it does take the time to fold the butter into the flour over and over again to create that puff pastry texture. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Cut them into large squares. Then I can add potatoes with cheese filling. Now add in my filling on top each puff pastry squares. Give an egg wash around the edges to help them seal and hold their shape. I'm going to fold it in half into a triangle shape. Now with a fork, I'm going to press down the sides. Make sure the filling not bursting out when it cooks, and few holes on the top so that the steam could escape and it won't puff up too high. This is done. Now I'm going to spread a little bit of oil around the baking tray. Pop that straight in. Now repeat the process with the remaining pastry. Now add in some cheese and potato filling onto my homemade pastry. More cheese over the top. Give an egg wash around the edges. Now fold it in half, creating like a rectangle shape. Pinch quite hard with your fingers into the corner of the pastry. With a fork, press down the sides. Now repeat the process with the remaining pastry. Now I'm going to lightly brush with egg wash. This will give a nice little glassy look. I have preheated the oven 180 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to put them in the oven about 20 to 30 minutes or until that pastry turns into a nice golden brown. Now repeat with the next batch. Give an egg wash. This is done. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. Now time to taste. It's so delicious. It's crispy on the outside and soft and moist in the middle. It's a wonderful snack to have any time of the day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.